Hi, we're here at Gulf Coast Rail Services on the 29th of December 2021 in Orange, Texas. There's an array of a lot of different interesting locomotives, and I thought I'd take pictures of them from both sides. That was possible in some cases, but not in other cases. I thought maybe you'd be interested in taking a peek at some of the older locomotives along with some fairly different locomotives. Enjoy. I honestly can't tell you what some of these locomotives are. It's just interesting to look at them. This is a quick one. That's about it. Hope you enjoyed. Have a good.